Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Hercules Guitar Wall Mount. I'll compare the top two models, the Hercules Stands GSP38 wood base and its cousin, the GSP39 steel base. I'll talk features, pros and cons, and then we'll jump into a live demo and installation. Both of these guitar mounts come with the auto grip system, which is really an ingenious little thing. The way that this works is you put screws into the wall and that anchors the base to the wall, and then the weight of the guitar, you see, if you put some weight right there, that's how it works. It's a great patented thing, I'm sure, by Hercules, and it's very strong. It comes with a lifetime warranty. Your guitar is very, very secure. It'll never fall off your wall as long as you drill those screws deep into your wall. Now, I prefer the wood base because I think it looks better and it only requires 2 screws, as you can see. The steel base probably is more secure, but if you have a 2x4 wood stud, as you can see, it might not fit exactly as well as the wood base, and it doesn't look as cool and nifty. But if you do use this one, it's probably even stronger. And as you can see, same auto grip system, same lifetime warranty. It's a personal preference, your choice. These guitar wall mounts are just wonderful for saving valuable floor space in your studio or home. I found they're even more secure than the ones that rest on the floor, and nobody's gonna trip and hit them. Both guitar hangers boast a no-slip guarantee and offer tool-free setup, making them both contenders for Best Guitar Wall Hanger of 2025. One thing I don't like about these is the screws that ship with them. If you'll notice, the head of this screw is just a little narrow for my drill. I like a wider head, and the shaft is a little thick. I found it a little difficult. You have to pre-drill. It comes with 2 of these, and they're countersunk like that. I found it best and easiest to swap them out for a standard drywall screw with a bigger head and a thinner shaft, and just as strong, even stronger. This one's longer. This is 2.5 inch. I think that was a 1.5 inch, and it doesn't slot quite as nicely, but I promise you, if you use your drill, there you go. Now it's going through. So that's how I set them up. Another thing about these that's very important, if you look at the back, there's a side that's up, because if you notice, this metal is slightly angled to bear the weight better, and also if you install it upside down, the mechanism won't work. And a key difference between these two is if this little mechanism in the back ever gets loose, I noticed that there's a Phillips head to tighten it back up, but on this metal one, there's a hex. So just take note of that you'll need to use a different tool to tighten it if it ever gets a little loose around that fitting. But I've not had any problems with that. These are rock solid and super sturdy. I like to do the bottom first. You find your stud in the back. I found a nice piece, and I just go straight in. Put the top screw in. And voila, it's just that easy. You see, I can shake the thing. It's not gonna move when I take it out. This little thing opens up. It's not gonna fall out this way, and it's not gonna come off that wall. Easy breezy. Now, the reason I like this wood base better than the steel base, you can see it's a little wide. It has a little triangle. It's cool because you can kind of angle it differently based on where your wall, what your needs are, but it doesn't have 2 straight up and down for a wood 2x4 stud. If you're putting this against concrete or a flat plywood wall or something, it'll be stronger because it'll have 3 points to anchor it, but I think it takes up a little more wall space, and I like the vertical look and function of this wood base a lot better. So the pros of the Hercules Guitar Wall Hanger: slip-free system, lifetime guarantee, the auto lock system is beautiful, super sturdy, super easy, convenient to install. All you need is a little drill. You could probably do it with a screwdriver and some elbow grease. Cons, like I told you, these stock screws, I don't like them. The triangle base, I would prefer the wood base, but really no cons. I've had these over 5 years. They're just as sturdy as the day I got them, so check the link below, get yours on Amazon. It helps support the channel, and check back again next time for more gear reviews like this.